Hi there, greetings and salutations. So, the actual title of this video is, do Forex traders actually make any money? And I know that there are loads of people out there that are looking at Forex trading and they've heard all these horror stories about, people getting scammed and people losing money. So I'm here to tell you the truth about Forex trading. And if you stick to the end of this video, it's going to be a little video. I will show you a way that you can get our trade ideas for absolutely free. There's no credit card required. You don't have to sign up to anything. It's literally just come along and watch what we do for 7 days so that you can make an informed decision as regards to Forex trading. So the best thing I can really do is to share my screen with you and I show you some of the results that we are getting with our group, okay? So this can get rid of any myths about us and can we make money Forex trading. So we are part of the Ninja Forex trading group, and inside our group we do live trading sessions, up to 8 hours of live trading a week, so that anybody that can come in and join our group will actually physically watch us trade. So that there'll be no more of this, can you make money? No more of this is a scam. No more of that rubbish that goes on. You can come in and just see the truth for yourself. We've actually got a Discord group set up. And in one of our sections of our Discord, it's called Raining Pips. And everybody in our group just writes in here the good, the bad, the ugly, the wins, the losses, everything. We keep it completely real. So let's have a little look at today. Shall we? Where did today start? I haven't even looked at this yet today, so let's just see what's been going on. Right, 10th of June 2020, which is today. Right, so Craig got 10 pips on Great British Pound New Zealand. We've got 5 pips there on Euro Ord. We've got 5 pips there on GP Ord, 10 pips there, 3 pips there, 5 pips there. Just to let you know, we go for 10 pips a day because 10 pips a day will set you financially free, and there is a video within my YouTube section showing you how to do that. So look, these are all, some of these people are brand new. 10 pips, 10, 10, 5, 5, all on BYOB. We teach this strategy called BYOB Down Under, and you really want to check that out. Okay, GPNZD came in, saw an alert and realised it hadn't crossed the trend line, stayed in, however, got 10 pips. Well done. Okay, Euro NZD went wrong, however, too close to the 8 AM mark, -5. So he lost -5 there, but he knows why. He went too close to the 8 AM mark. That's all explained in our BYOB Down Under strategy. 20 pips there, 10 pips there. Come on, I want a loss. I can show people this is completely legit. 10 pips there, 5 pips there. 4 pairs, 4 winning trades. Oh my goodness, all before they got out of bed. Well done, Robin. 13 pips there. Right, where's all the losses today? People are just doing so well with this strategy. Another 7 pips. Okay, oh my God, 5 pips there. 35 pips from Sarah only. 25 pips, right, okay, I've got to find a loss, You can see how successful we are being, and we are completely open to show you everything. There we go. Aina posted, Great British Pound JPY, -26 pips. They did a 25 for life trade, which is another strategy we teach. They went overnight, and I know why this is, because Great British Pound is extremely volatile. So then they did 5 pips on that one, 5 pips, 10 pips. They got their money back, look, by doing the other strategies. So, 26 pips. They lost 26 pips. We don't win all the time. You can't win all the time in trading. It's not real. What we got there? Gain of 61 pips. Oh my goodness. -10 and then +20. So the 10 pips up for the day on that one. Rob, 60 pips. Oh, right, okay. You get the idea. This is our ninja group, right, guys? And you can come along and follow us for 7 days and watch us taking these trades so you can see this is real. So let me just go to, this is my Facebook page, Making Sense of Forex Trading. Please come along. There's a link in the video description how you can join this group. There's loads of great information in this group. Right, see what's going on here. Rob's crushing it again. Oh my goodness me. Right, this is our BYOB Down Under strategy, which is absolutely on fire. Let me just see if I can. Look, this is David sharing his results. The greens are the wins for this strategy. And he puts the screenshots of TradingView in there to show you that this is real.
so people can go back and double check.
Let's turn up a little bit.
The trade itself. And as you can see, all the greens are winners. The white ones, there was no trade. I shall be doing that going forward.
Look, we've got a red loss here, guys. A red loss.
Of May there, you've got 3 trades, you've got 30 pips. That's 3 days worth of trading, guys, where we come from. The way we go, that's 3 days worth of trading.
We teach you this strategy within our ninja group, guys. Look at these wins. Look, a few losses there. But
I've done 54 trades. And 51 of them have won.
54 trades, 51 winners, 94% win rate on the BYOB Down Under strategy. So here's some more results from our Discord group that I'm sharing in here. This is very interesting. This is a post we had in our Ninja group from one of our members. She says, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to post this, but just wanted to say thank you to Kevin Orr for developing the Educator. The Educator is a bonus tool within our team. I've been testing and trading the BYOB strategy using the alerts from the Educator for 3.5 weeks. See below images. I have won 147 trades and lost 0. I have gained 788.3 pips. Amazing. This stuff works. Consistency and a trading plan is the key. Have a blessed week and happy trading. That is insane. And she shares her FX book there so you can actually see for real what's going on. So let me just stop sharing. I could be on here all day sharing with you the results we're getting within our Ninja team, but I would just bore you and you still probably wouldn't believe me because people are so skeptical. So there is only one way to prove that people are benefiting and earning money from Forex, and that is to come and join us for 7 days. Take part in a completely free, no obligation, 7-day free trial of our Ninja group. You will get access to all of our live trading sessions. You will get access to trade ideas sent to your phone for 7 days. Then after 7 days, you will see for yourselves that this is real. Can't offer more than that. There is no obligation to join anything after that. Just come and check us out. And if you want to join us and take things further, then you are welcome to do so. So thank you so much for watching this video. And hopefully I've answered the question is, do Forex traders actually make money? You can see from the pips that they do. So it's awesome. Right, don't forget there's a link in this video description down there and it says free trial, okay? Free Ninja trial. Come along and join the free Ninja trial for 7 days. And I'll see you in there. Okay, I'll see you in that group. It's a Facebook group. You come and join and you watch all our trading sessions, okay? So I'll see you in there. Thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.